everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Geraldine Eka Alvara Ainanun. I'm from Untak Surabaya, especially Faculty of Law. So I'm a law student and now I'm internship in Walailak University, Nakhon Si Thammarat, Thailand. So today I will talk about marriage equality in Thailand. Have you ever wondered how a single amendment to a law can transform the lives of millions of people? Legal reforms are often viewed as technical changing, hidden within legal texts and parliamentary debates. However, some reforms extend far beyond the courtroom, influencing family, business, public policy, and even a country's international reputation. One recent example comes from Thailand, which became the first country in Southern Asia to legalize marriage equality. Imagine living in a world where your love and commitment are fully recognized, protected, and celebrated by the law, regardless of who you are or whom you love. For Thailand LGBTQ community, that vision has now become a historic reality. This video will explore one of the most significant legal reforms in modern Thailand history, the amendment of Book 5 of the Civil and Commercial Code Thailand, which opened marriage to all couples regardless of gender. To understand why these reforms matter, we must first examine the global movement for marriage equality. Let's begin. The global movement towards marriage equality has developed gradually over several decades. The Netherlands became the first country in the world to legalize same-sex marriage on 1st April 2001. The reforms granted same-sex couples the same legal rights and responsibility, including inheritance, adoption, and family rights. In the United States, marriage equality evolved through a combination of state-level reforms and constitutional litigation. The process culminated in the landmark Supreme Court decision Obstacle 5 Hodges in 2015, which recognized same-sex marriage nationwide. In the Asia, Taiwan made a history in 2019 as the first jurisdiction in the region to legalize same-sex marriage. Subsequent reforms expanded legal protection, including border adoption rights. Nepal also attracted international attention after court decisions supporting the recognition and registration of the same-sex marriage, making it one of the most progressive jurisdictions in South Asia on LGBTQ rights. Against these global backdrops, Thailand emerged as the first country in Southern Asia to enact full marriage equality.
คือรู้สึกลุ้นแล้วก็ดีใจแล้วก็โล่งเพราะว่า10 ปีเต็มที่เราอยู่กับวันทุกๆวันว่าจะเป็นแบบไหนยังไงบ้างอะไรเงี้ยค่ะพอมันได้สำเร็จก็เลยรู้สึกว่ามันมีความสุขมันได้ส่งเขาเรียกว่าโมเมนต์หรือหน้าที่สำคัญให้กับคนอื่นแล้วนับจากนี้ก็เป็นหน้าที่ของคู่รักคู่สมรสต่างๆที่เขาจะใช้ชีวิตกันแล้วก็รู้สึกโล่งแล้วก็ดีใจมาก
Thailand is often viewed internationally as one of the Asia's most LGBTQ friendly destinations. However, legal equality did not arrive overnight. For decades, activists, legal scholars, civil society organizations, and members of the LGBTQ community advocate for legal recognition and equal treatment under the law. A major legal obstacle was Section 1448 of the Thai Civil and Commercial Code, which defined marriage as a union between a man and a woman. In 2020, a same-sex couple challenged the prohibition after their marriage registration application was rejected. The case eventually reached the Constitutional Court in Decision Number 20, delivered in 2021. The Constitutional Court held that Section 1448 did not violate the Constitution. The court reasoned that the existing legal framework remained constitutionally valid. However, the judgment contained an important observation. The court encouraged Parliament and relevant state institutions to consider legislation that would provide broader legal protection and recognition for individuals of these diverse genders, identities, and sexual orientation. Following the 2023 general election, public discussion surrounding marriage equality gained significant momentum. Several political parties, civil society groups, academics, and lawmakers supported legal reforms. After extensive parliamentary deliberation, Thailand Marriage Equality Act was approved by both houses of parliament in 2024. The legislation received royal assent in September 2024 and officially entered into force on 23 January 2025. This historic achievement made Thailand the first nation in Southeast Asia to recognize marriage equality nationwide.
The passing of the bill brings Thailand a step closer to becoming the first country in Southeast Asia to legalize same-sex marriage. But the bill still needs royal approval before it can become law.
หลังจากการต่อสู้ยาวมานานกว่า 20 ปี วันนี้เราสามารถพูดได้ว่าประเทศไทยมีสมรสเท่าเทียมอย่างภาคภูมิใจ และนิยามของครอบครัวจะเปลี่ยนไปตลอดกาลและในที่สุดเลิฟวินส์ค่ะขอบคุณมากค่ะ
Members of the LGBTQ community rejoiced in the capital, Bangkok, after the bill's passing.
So, what exactly changed? The answer is in Book 5 of Thailand Civil and Commercial Code, which govern family law. The reform modernized the language of the law by replacing gender-specific terminology with a gender-neutral language. The first one, Section 1448, was amended so that marriage is no longer defined as a union between a man and a woman. Instead, is it a recognition as a union between two individuals. And the second one is traditional terms such as husband and a wife were replaced with a gender-neutral terminology, ensuring equal legal recognition for all married couples. Although the textual changes might appear simple, their legal consequences are profound. Same-sex couples now enjoy the same rights and obligations as opposite-sex couples, including joint adoption rights, inheritance rights, property and marital asset management rights, spousal benefit and protection, medical decision-making authority, and other legal rights associated with marriage under Thai law. From my perspective as an internship student in Walailak University, this reform extends far beyond human rights. It has implications across multiple sectors of society. First, economic and tourism impact. Marriage equality strengthens Thailand's position as a leading destination for international weddings, LGBTQ+ community, tourism, and long-term travel. This may create new opportunities for the hospitality, event management, and tourism industries. Second, business investment and talent attraction. A more inclusive legal environment can enhance Thailand's attractiveness to multinational corporations and highly skilled professionals seeking a supportive and stable place to live and work. Third, financial and property rights. The reforms provided created legal certainty for married couples in matters involving inheritance, insurance, benefits, joint property ownership, estate planning, and financial service. Fourth, social welfare and health care. Married same-sex couples now receive stronger legal protection in family matters, including hospital visitation rights and participation in important medical decisions affecting their spouse. Fifth, legal development and international reputation. By becoming the first Southeast Asia country to legalize marriage equality, Thailand has strengthened its international reputation as a country committed to legal modernization, equality, and human rights. The reforms also encourage harmonization across related areas of law, ensuring consistency throughout the broader legal system. So, marriage equality is not merely a human right milestone. Is it also an important development in family law, public policy, and democratic governance? As an internship student at Walailak University, witnessing and studying this legal development has provided an invaluable academic experience. So, what do you think about the social and economic impact of marriage equality? Share your thoughts in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you next video.